Hi dear buyers, I'm glad you like this product. Please note that this product needs to be plugged in, not for charging. This one cannot be used for charging. The battery inside the robot is used to support the safety device to prevent falling. The whole machine has passed CE, FCC, ROHS quality testing and certification. The power supply passes the CCC, CE, FCC, UL, ROHS safety testing and certification. Packing list. 1 host, 1 power cord plus adapter, 1 remote control, 2 pairs of cleaning rings, 1 extension of 4 meters, 1 safety rope, 10 cleaning cloths, 1 manual, or English manual, 1 after sales warranty card. Using way. 1. Wait 20 seconds after starting up until the blue light stopped flashing, then start working. Because the robot need 20 seconds to detect the glass plane. 2. Binding the safety rope when using, prevent falling from high altitude. 3. Spray some water on the edge of the mop when working, will be better effect. 4. When you receive the item, please contact us if you have any questions, we will solve it for you. When you don't know how to use it, I will give your answer and send you an operation video. If you want the fast shipping PLS, choose the Russian and span warehouse. If you select DHL seller's shipping method, ROHS Express China to ship it, you may be charged customs clearance and taxes for something purchased online. Buyers are responsible for custom taxes. This price is not including the custom tax. If you have special requirement, please leave a message when place order, or contact us.